Hello students, today teach you simple slabless column. So the previous class is discuss about the simple slabless column. So the question is a column of ISMB 400 is subjected to one axial force is 750 kilonewton and design the base plate. The assuming data is M15 pedestal concrete mix. The M15 grade of concrete and the given is axial force and ISMB Indian Standard Middle Beam 400 is the steel table code. So the diagram is given there the pedestal concrete mix design of beam. So the given that is axial force P. Axial force P equal to 750 kilonewton. So the flange size is ISMB 400 140 mm. 140 mm is the given of suitable steel table book code. So the given that ISMB 400 diameter of 150 mm flange size. Then the assuming of the bolt size is 24 mm. Assuming data bolt of 24 mm. So the recommended to steel table 24 plus 1.5 equal to 25.5 mm. So the given second one is distance of center hole from outer edge. Distance of center hole from the outer edge 44 mm and the distance of the center hole from the roll section is 38 mm. So the concrete mix design of pedestal is the elevation part. Next one is upper part is the designing part. The designing part of the end to end of the designing of whole column section is 4.00 and the second one is so projection beyond to end encryption of 4.80 and the total designing end to end encryption is 5.80. So the 5.80 is distance of the center hole from the outer edge 44 mm and distance of the center hole from the roll section 38 mm is both are steel table code book. So the next one is hence minimum width of base plate is B. Find out the B section. B equal to 140 plus both center of the outer edge and center of the hole from roll section. Both are combination of both are adding combination of 304 mm. So the next one is minimum length of the plate. The D, minimum length of the plate D. So find out the 400 plus both are same condition of distance of center hole in outer edge and the distance of center hole of roll section. So the both are combination in adding to 564 mm. So the assuming data of base plate is given that the section in designing of diagram. The base plate is 320 into 580 into 20 mm is given that. So assuming of 320 and 508 both are assuming size of slab base plate. So the next one is solution this problem. First one is hence both are A and B. A and B both are projection side. A and B are the projection side. The uniform pressure below the plate is W. The W is find out of the uniform pressure. W equal to uniform pressure. So B into D. B into P divided by B into D. So P is given that of axial force is 750 kilonewton. So Newton, right? 750,000 divided by B is given that of 304 mm into 564 mm D. So the find out of 4.041 MPa. First one is find out. So next thickness of plate T. T is given that of formula previous is 3W divided by sigma bs into A square minus B by 4 whole root over. So the find out of the given data put this thickness of plate. So the base plate is so the find out of the answer is 20 mm. Similar of 19.9 mm. So similar of 20 mm. So the given that of base plate is 320 into 580 into 20 mm is diagram given. So the base plate is the base plate 320 and 580 and 20 is 20 mm. So the section is safe. So the calculate of the concrete pedestal of the slab base. Width of the pedestal BC. BC equal to 24 plus 2 into 40 plus 20 plus 75 by 2 equal to 435 mm. So next one is length of the pedestal. Length of pedestal. Length of the pedestal is DC equal to 580 plus 2 into 40 plus same equal to 40 plus 20 plus 75 by 2 equal to answer of 700 mm. So the next one is M15. So given of M15 mix concrete. Concrete is 4 MPa. So the steel plate area A P B into D. B is given of 320 plus 580. So the answer is find out 185,600 mm square. So the next one is concrete area. Concrete area AC. AC is find out of the BC into DC. BC is 435 into DC equal to 700. So the answer is 304,500 mm square. Next one is allowable bearing. Next one is allowable bearing stress. Sigma CC AC by AP. AC by AP. AC equal 304,500 and 185,600 root over of 5.12 greater than of 4044. The weld is safe. So the total calculating is the safe is weld is safe. So the please check of the total answer.